Now, COBRA offers two different types of igniters. The first is the Talon igniter clip. Now, this is designed for traditional visco fuse. This is what you would normally see within consumer product. It works very simply. You take the clip, it clips directly onto the fuse. When the igniter lights, it actually burns into the powder core of the fuse, in turn causing that fuse to light. Now, the second igniter that we offer is the MJG Firewire Initiator. This is a consumer legal e-match. It behaves exactly like a professional e-match, and there's a number of different professional techniques for connecting this to your product. The main benefit for consumer use is that you're going to get instant ignition versus having to wait for the fuse to burn from the igniter clip. And this is beneficial for, typically larger shows, pyromusicals, things that you want to have more tighter timed. Now, if you're not familiar with the different techniques of using professional e-match, COBRA also offers the quick-fire connector that allows you to place the e-match directly into this device and plug it into your consumer product. Now, for both of these devices, we provided detailed video demonstrations below, so I absolutely encourage you to check them out.